5-8, measures of central tendency. This is a review lesson. However, we're going to add some decimals and negative numbers and such into there. All right, so first we have the mean. Do you remember what the mean is? The mean is the average. You add up all the numbers in the list, and then you divide by the number of numbers in the list. That gives you the average. The median is the middle number. We actually did a little bit of work with this earlier this year. You're going to do a little bit of more work with it again later this year as well. So it's the middle number, and if you remember, we're going to line up all the numbers and cross numbers off until you get to somewhere in the middle. So we'll see that in a few minutes. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently. So if your list has a bunch of 5s in it, and that's the value that occurs the most, we'll edit that out. The range is the ranges from the highest to the lowest value. All right, so we have these 4 things, mean, median, mode, and range, that you have to find for given sets of information. All right, so find the mean, median, mode, and range for the following set of data. You'll notice that you have 2, 8, 16, 21, 3, 8, 9, 7, and 6. Most information will be presented to you just like that, in no particular order. Your job is to first and foremost rewrite it in order from least to greatest. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 16, 21. So the information is in order from least to greatest. Now, mean is the only one that involves math, and it doesn't matter if the numbers are in order from least to greatest. So to find the mean, I added them up. I got 80 is the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 numbers in the list, so the mean is 80, the total, divided by 9. It's 8.88 repeated. So the mean is the only one that involves the math. The median, the mode, and the range simply involve you looking at the list of information and finding things out. The range is 2 to 21. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently. Are there any values that occur most frequently? Yeah, in this one there's an 8. There are 2 8s, and that's all there is. There can be no mode if none of the values occur more than once, and there can be more than one mode. It's okay to have some. Now to find the median. To find the median, you have to get in a place where you're not going to be interrupted, because if you're interrupted while you're doing this, start over. So we're going to start. We're going to cross off a number on the left and a number on the right. We're going to cross another one on the left and another one on the right. Another on the left, another on the right, another on the left, another on the right, until we have one number left or we're between 2 numbers. We actually find out we're here with an 8, so that's going to be the median, is 8. Mean, median, mode, range for the following set of data. Decimals. 7.5, 7.1, 7.4, 7.6, 7.4, 9.0, 7.9, 7.1. So we need to rewrite this list in order from least to greatest. 7.1, 7.1, 7.4, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.9, and 9.0. We need to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. When I add all these numbers up with a calculator, I get 61, and there are 8 numbers in the list. So when I do 61 divided by 8, I get 7.62. That's the mean. The average of these numbers is 7.625. All right, moving to the range, because now once I've done that math, I just have to look at my list of numbers in order from least to greatest and gather some information. Range is 7.1 to 9.0. The mode, are there any values that occur most frequently? There are, 7.1 and 7.4. Now to find the median, we're going to cross numbers off on the left and right again. One on the left, one on the right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Problem is, we end up between 7.4 and 7.5. To find this, we're going to find the average between the two of these, the mean. So, in other words, what number is halfway between 7.4 and 7.5? It's 7.45. It's halfway between 7.4 and 7.5. Add them together, divide by 2 with a calculator. All right. Mean, median, mode, and range. The measures of central tendency. Your homework is on page 241, 242, 10 through 18, the evens.